Okay, so this is a little sort of simulation to demonstrate how waves can interfere constructively or destructively. Um, if I if I get the wave if I get the wave pattern to be the same, I think I can type it in. I can. So 250. Then we have constructive interference. Now this is set up to, I don't know if can I move it. It doesn't look like I can move them along, so I can't produce destructive interference in this. But what you can do is you can demonstrate how what it would look like if you had them if you had them at different frequencies. So I don't know what that does. Ah, yeah, there you go. So at the bottom we've got the what do you call it, the resultant wave, and you can actually do this manually with a bit of graph paper, but you can see how you get this weird sort of outputs, these complicated outputs. And this is something that you may be asked to do. Now, some of them become a little bit easier to sort of visualize. If I were to increase that frequency, you can see that what's happening is this red one here is like the carrier wave for the one above. So you got this high frequency wave being carried on this low frequency wave. So that's kind of what's going on here. It is possible to demonstrate, to work out what this would be, and this is sometimes an activity that I get people to do with graph paper. So what you would do is you would say, right, what's the displacement at this point? What's the yeah, let's say that let me just get a pen here. So if we say that so this is at 0.3. I don't know if I can. Let's imagine that's what 0.3 is there, and we look at what 0.3 is on that one, and then you look, is the interference positive or negative, and you add them together, and you'd work out, and then you just plot that on whatever this one is here. Okay, I mean, we won't do that in today's lesson, but this is a quite good animation just to play around with and have a look. And then what we could do maybe in future lessons is actually think about how we can plot our own. All right, so that's quite good. Anyway, I'll stop that. That's a pretty basic video.